Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you? Let me introduce myself. My name is Octavia Indriani. You can call me Indri. I am 31 years old. I am Muslim. I am married. My last education, senior high school. I come from Blitar, Java, Indonesia. I have experience before working as housemaid 2 years in Indonesia. I can take an elderly and handle dog. I can cleaning the house, laundry and cooking. I can cooking steam egg, steam fish, steam shrimp, fried vegetable and porridge. I'm sorry ma'am, I'm sorry sir, I'm not eat the pork but I can handle pork. I'm not afraid of dog. I want go to Singapore because I make more money to support my family and my future. I will be happy if you give me opportunity to be your housemate. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.